Welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at the systems of government. So we already talked about the types of government down here. Now we're going to look at how the systems of government can impact how government is able to make decisions and enforce decisions. So I'm going to kind of show you my map of the United States. I know it's going to be backwards for you guys, but this is going to help us as we go through this section. So the first system of government that we want to look at is the unitary system. So in a unitary system, it's all governed as a single unit, meaning there's just one central government that basically can do all the things, okay? So if that's how it worked in America, it's not. But if that's how it worked in America, here's my lovely map, then the only government that would be able to do anything would be there in Washington, D.C., okay? So all of the state governments that we have would really not have any authority, okay? They wouldn't be able to make a whole lot of decisions. So in the United States, this system of government right here, this unitary system, is probably not going to be effective. So the next system of government is a confederal system. So in a confederal system, you've got the states basically being the most powerful and the central government being not really too powerful, okay? So this is actually what we had when we were operating under the Articles of Confederation. You had the states with all the power, so they have the decisions or the authority to make decisions within their boundaries, so they have sovereignty. But then the federal government over here in Washington, D.C., they really couldn't do much of anything, okay? So some things that the federal government couldn't do under the Articles of Confederation, they couldn't tax. They couldn't form a military. They could only suggest solutions to problems that states were having. So that just wasn't a feasible solution either for the United States. So what we have today is a federal system. Federalism, what? Federalism, what? A division of what? Of power between the states and the federal government, right? So what you have here in the United States is you've got all of these different states that are responsible basically for doing things within their borders, but then the United States central government is responsible for things too. So the federal system is this shared power system where the states get to do some things, the federal government gets to do some things. So that is what works better for us right now in the United States. If you guys have any questions, let me